Welcome to Nattupura Samayal. Today's special is making of Channa kofta curry. The ingredients for this curry is 5 chopped onions, 6 cashew nuts, garlic, ginger and coriander leaves. And then 6 tomatoes, and the spice powders are salt, coriander powder, red chili powder and turmeric powder. Now for frying, oil and fresh cream. And the spices are cinnamon, brinjal leaf, cardamom, heat the pan and pour the 4 spoons of oil. Now add all the onions into the pan. Fry the onions until it reaches the brown color. And now add the garlic and ginger. It will take 3 to 4 minutes for cooking. Now the onion is fried. Now we are going to add chopped tomatoes. Now add all the tomatoes. The tomatoes need to be cooked very well. After the tomatoes and onions are cooked, keep aside and leave it to cool and make a paste. Now keep the pan and pour the 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add all the spices for flavors. Now pour the paste, onion tomato paste, into the pan. Make it to boil for a few minutes. Now add the salt and the spices powder, that is turmeric, coriander and chili powder. Mix well and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Now add the boiled channa into the pan. Let it cook for a few minutes. If we need, we may add some sweet with this one. After switch off the stove, add the fresh cream. Now the dish is ready. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.